Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I just wanted to do a quick video, and it's not really about yarn nor crochet. Sorry, I always do yarn and crochet videos on here, but hey, I do have a tutorial for that blanket on my channel. I want to show you a new member of the Bagoday family that we just got today. This is Freddie, named after Freddie Mercury. So isn't he a cutie? Now, I'll tell you about Freddie. This is what he looks like. He's got a little brown butt. And his paws are brown. So Freddie does have one blue eye as well. It's not really showing up on camera, but he's got one blue eye and one brown eye. And some brown eyebrows. So, yes, Freddie was named after Freddie Mercury, and he is 8 weeks old today. So we just got him today. He is a Bernedoodle. He is part Bernese Mountain Dog and part Standard Poodle. Now, I know some of you will say that he looks like an Australian Shepherd, because I got that a lot when I showed pictures of him before. But his dad, who was a Standard Poodle, who I saw, was marled, just like this. Same colors. He even had brown feet, except for his face was black. It was not white. And he didn't have brown eyebrows. I assume maybe that came from the mountain dog. I don't know where the blue eye came from. Who knows? But yes, he's going to be not a small dog, I guess, but the dad was a very small. I did see his dad. He was a very small Standard Poodle, and then the mom was also a smaller mountain dog, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, doesn't matter what he is. That's, he's adorable, and he is our 6th puppy, in case you didn't know. Now, if you like puppies, I wish his blue eye would show up on camera. It's really cute. But it's just not showing, is it, Freddie? It's just not showing. So if you'd like to see more of Freddie, I do have another YouTube channel, for those of you that do not know. It's kind of like a little vlog. Actually, we talk about our animals a lot, because we do Freddie as our 6th dog, and we have 3 cats and a bunny, and it's hard to tell who else we will add, because we do have a very, very large fenced-in yard, lots of room and love for puppies, so we like to give animals good homes when we can. And we sometimes, over on the other channel, we talk about the animals a lot, but we also do some gardening, because if you don't know, I did used to be a landscape designer, and we go to thrift shops and stuff like that, this and that. Sometimes we'll do recipes and whatnot, but I'll put a link to my other channel below if you're interested in that type of stuff, and you'd like to watch more on Freddie growing up and see our other dogs as well, and our kitties and stuff. He'll be over there on that channel. But for those of you that do not follow me on that channel or have no interest, I just wanted to introduce you to the newest member of our tribe here, our ever-growing tribe, right? Tell him bye, Freddie. He's nervous, He's nervous. He's already met all the other dogs, so you like it? He had fun outside running around, didn't you? I just don't know. He might be tired now. Oh, he is. He's tired. He's sleepy. Yeah, he turned 8 weeks old today. We just went and picked him up an hour or so ago. And introduced him to all the other dogs, and he ran around and and I think now he's just tired. So remember, you can come. I'll put a link to our other channel below if you're interested. If you'd like to follow Freddie growing up and see all our other dogs growing up. We got a couple of sheepadoodles that are they're 6 months old, but they're pretty big now. And a bloodhound and a Morkie and a standard poodle. And yeah, but anyways, this is Freddie, and he says hi to everybody on my Bagoday channel. All right, bye guys.